What you saying, James? That's what if you use your elbow to spot you. That'd have been it. Oh, that'd have been like without even using your back. You said if I put one elbow on one knee and you would pull the right up, it'd have been far more greater, easier. If I did like had this shit like this, but see, I pull it up. No, just say like you got that elbow on that arm, right, on that leg, right, and you pull that up and put it there. And while you got that there, you use that to balance and hold your back, and then pick the other one up. Right, you got that. Y'all still learning. I'm still learning to get them. That's all. About the 60s. Put your elbow on one knee and put that motherfucker on that knee. And then do that one and roll that one in place on that knee. I'm just gonna get this one up. Give me that, James. That's man that, you know what I mean? Once you balance that one on your knee, you got the back support at the same time. The big 320-pound motherfucker shit, man, they pulling up the goddamn weights. Hey, and then they talk about, hey, he's some big ones. And you're not nowhere near their size, and they talking all